Imagine a world where your money works 24/7, not in a bank, not under government control, but in a fully digital ecosystem where artificial intelligence manages your investments automatically. No middlemen, no waiting for approvals. Just you, your digital wallet, and smart algorithms making your money grow while you sleep. That's not science fiction anymore. That's the future we're stepping into right now with AI and DeFi. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into how AI and crypto are merging to create the future of decentralized finance, or DeFi. If you stick with me until the end, I'll share a powerful insight that could completely change the way you think about building wealth in this new economy. So let's break this down step by step. First, let's make sure we're all on the same page. What is DeFi? DeFi, short for decentralized finance, is basically the opposite of traditional banking. Instead of going to a bank, filling out paperwork, or relying on a middleman, DeFi uses blockchain technology to give you direct access to financial services. Want to borrow money? You don't need a bank. Want to earn interest? You don't need a savings account. Want to trade assets? You don't need a broker. DeFi lets you do all of this directly through smart contracts, basically pieces of code that execute automatically when certain conditions are met. No manager, no teller, no banker, just trustless, transparent transactions happening peer-to-peer. Now, here's where it gets really exciting. Artificial intelligence is stepping into this world. If you've been following the AI boom lately, you already know that AI is incredible at processing massive amounts of data, spotting patterns, and making predictions that humans simply can't. In crypto, this ability is a game changer. Think about it. Crypto markets run 24/7. They never close. Prices swing wildly, news drops at random times, and opportunities can vanish in minutes. No human trader, not even the best one, can keep up with that pace. But AI can. AI can analyze thousands of coins at once, track market sentiment on social media, scan news articles, and even monitor blockchain transactions, all in real time. Then, it can adjust your investments automatically way faster than you ever could. That's why people are calling this the new frontier of investing. Now, let's get practical. How exactly is AI being used in DeFi right now? One of the biggest applications is AI-powered trading bots. These bots can buy and sell cryptocurrencies for you based on complex strategies. For example, they might analyze market momentum, check liquidity, and execute trades within seconds. But here's the catch. Not all bots are created equal. Some are just hype. They're pre-programmed with very basic strategies and often lose money. The real power lies in bots that use machine learning, meaning they actually improve over time as they learn from data. Imagine having a personal financial assistant that studies every market move, learns from it, and gets smarter every single day. That's the level we're reaching. But it doesn't stop there. AI is also helping with risk management. If you've ever been in crypto, you know how risky it can be. Prices can crash in minutes. Scams and rug pulls are everywhere. And making decisions based on emotion, fear, or greed can wipe out your portfolio. AI tools can help protect you from that. They can monitor volatility, detect suspicious wallet activity, and even predict when a coin might be overvalued or undervalued. Some platforms are building AI-powered dashboards that give you risk scores before you invest, almost like a credit rating system, but for crypto projects. This means everyday investors, not just Wall Street experts, can make smarter, safer decisions. Now let's zoom out and talk about the bigger picture. When you combine DeFi and AI, you're looking at a financial system that could run almost entirely on autopilot. Think about it. Smart contracts handle the transactions. AI manages your investments. Blockchain guarantees transparency. It's like creating a self-driving car, but for money. And just like self-driving cars are slowly changing transportation, AI-powered DeFi could completely reshape banking and investing in the next decade. But here's a question a lot of people ask. Is this safe? The truth is, no system is 100% risk-free. DeFi is still relatively young, and with innovation comes risk. Smart contract can have bugs, platforms can get hacked, and AI isn't perfect. However, here's the key. AI is making DeFi more secure than ever. For example, AI algorithms are being trained to detect unusual patterns that might signal a hack. Others are being used to audit smart contracts automatically, spotting flaws before criminals can exploit them. So while the risks are real, the tools to fight those risks are getting stronger every day. Now let's talk about opportunities. This is where things get exciting. AI and DeFi together are opening doors for passive income streams that weren't possible before. For instance, AI yield farming optimizers can automatically move your money between different DeFi platforms to get you the best returns. AI lending platforms can match borrowers and lenders instantly, setting fair interest rates without human bias. AI-driven portfolio managers can diversify your holdings, balancing risk and reward based on your personal goals. This is wealth building on autopilot. Imagine setting your financial goals, say, doubling your portfolio in 5 years or earning a steady 10% annual return, and letting AI handle all the details. That's the direction we're heading. And if you're wondering where to start, there are already platforms exploring this space. From AI-powered crypto wallets to decentralized exchanges with machine learning built in, the ecosystem is growing fast. But here's my advice. Always do your own research. Don't just jump into a project because it promises sky-high returns. Look at the team, the technology, the track record, and the community. AI can give you tools, but you still need to use them wisely. So what does the future look like? In my opinion, the future of DeFi isn't just about crypto. It's about smart money. Money that moves, adapts, and grows on its own using AI. We might be looking at a world where traditional banks lose their power, where you don't need a financial advisor, and where anyone with a smartphone can access world-class wealth management powered by AI. And the crazy part? We're still in the early days. Here's my final thought. AI and DeFi are like two giant waves crashing into each other. On their own, they're already powerful. But together, they're reshaping the entire financial ocean. The question is, will you just watch from the shore, or will you learn to ride the wave? Because those who adapt early will be the ones who benefit the most. That's it for today's deep dive into crypto and AI, the future of DeFi investing. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and share this with a friend who needs to hear it. And remember, the future of money isn't coming. It's already here.